Hello dear student, now look, matching parts. Look at the picture and match A and B. A and B. Student, look, the children are playing with a ball. So where is this sentence? Playing with a ball? This? No, falling from a tree. Playing with a ball, yes. So, match this picture, this sentence. Okay, student. Look the next sentence. The coconut is dash. Coconut is dash. Coconut. देखो, the रक्स गिर रहा है. Falling from a tree. Where is the sentence? Falling from the tree. The coconut is falling from a tree. The girls are walking, swimming from a branch. No, walking down the road, climb a hill, climbing hill. The girls are climbing a hill. The monkey is swinging from a branch. The boys are walking down the road, running to the wall. The boys are running to the wall. The elephant is walking down the road.